Hello mga kachika, ito na naman ang inyong lore ng Chikadora at ngayon ang ichichika ko ay ang pinakalumang washing machine. Ito ang pinakalumang washing machine, ayan oh. Ito oh, automatic washer, ayan oh. Ito ang automatic washer. Oh, look at that. At dito ilalagay ang laundry, ayun. At dito, pinapaikot. Ayan. Ayan, mula kayo. Ayan. At ito ang hawakan. Ito. Old, reliable washing machine given by Maureen Smith. Look at this. Gawa sa kahoy. Oh. At may paikutan dito. Old washing machine. At ito ang grandma's receipt for doing the family wash. This is an authentic wash day receipt in its original spelling. Build a fire in backyard to heat kettle of rainwater. Set tubs so smoke won't blow in eyes if wind is put. Shave one whole cake of lice soap in boiling water. Sortings, make 3 piles, 1 pile white, 1 pile colored, 1 pile work breeches and rugs. Stir flour in cold water to smooth, then thin down with boiling water. Rub dirty spots on board, scrub hard, then boil, rub. Colored but don't boil, just rinse and starch. Take white things out of kettle with broom handle, then rinse blue and starch. Spread tea towels on grass, hang all drugs on fence, pour rinse water on flower bed, scrub pots with hot soapy water, turn tubs upside down, goop, put on clean dress, smooth hair with side combs, brew cup of tea, set and rest and rock a spell and count blessings. So yan ang grandma's receipt for doing the family wash. Ito ang gamit nilang washer. At ito may daanan ng tubig dito at ito ang balde on the side at ayan at ito dito. Ayan oh. 1911. Patent, alam nyo ba kung kailan ginawa ito? This washing machine patent on June 6, 1911. Ito ipakita ko. At ito ay automatic 1911. Ito ang yung Chikadora. Kahit saan pwede maglaba. Ayan o, may washing machine na. Have a nice day. Bye bye.